leftover stuff. So today I'm going to be making a banana pudding. This was a request from somebody, so since I had the leftover coconut milk and condensed coconut milk, we'll be using those. Neither one of them are really required. You can use any non-dairy milk for this, but this is a brand called Simply Delish that I found in the store. This is keto-friendly, vegan, and so exactly what I was looking for. Adding the condensed coconut milk does have a lot of sugar in it. It's not needed. So if you are diabetic, this does keep it from being diabetic friendly. So you're going to want to avoid the condensed coconut milk if you do have if you are diabetic. If you have a nut allergy, also avoid the coconut milk. Use any other dairy-free milk. Rice, soy, any hemp or flax, even any seed milk will work also. Seed or grain. So starting off by mashing this banana, and these are pretty old. I mean, these aren't brand new bananas. You're gonna want them a little old. I mean, like one of the older bananas, like the brown. When they start speckling, that's about the time to use them. So, and if you have a potato masher, this actually is ideal. I can't find mine. So I'm going to switch away from the spoon here and use a fork. If you do have children, this is a good time. This is a very good recipe for them because they can help you with this. So just always supervise children inside the kitchen. And this one does not require any cooking though. This will go in the refrigerator eventually. Okay, also, even though they are canned, keep my coconut milk inside the refrigerator. You're going to want to make sure any liquid is also drained from the coconut milk. So there's that. So if you are looking for an egg replacement ever, 1/4 cup egg is mashed banana, which is kind of what I'm going to be using this for, even though it's not real, like the pudding mix does have some starch in it. So use erythritol, which is monk fruit. So I measured out my banana before. They're all about the same size, so using the one banana as one egg. So there's 2 eggs here because I have another one that I mashed up and measured before. So I'm going to add in my packet of the pudding mix. So this is, again, Simply Delish banana pudding mix. Grab my scissors here. If you want to add in vanilla, this is the time to do it. Dry first, then wet. So dry is that. And we have our wet ingredients. So, which is the 2 bananas. This part I can use it for, it's a little bit easier. If you are using vanilla, you may want to use the real stuff. I will link one that you do not have to scrape out from the seed. Same thing, you just don't have to scrape it out. It's a little bit easier. Okay, now the coconut milk. I want to make sure that all the liquid of this is drained out. If you're using a stand mixer, you're going to want to use the whisk attachment, like a hand mixer. Trying to get all of this out. You are going to want to make sure your whipped cream is a little softened, though. The rest of the whipped cream in. And now I'm going to blend this up. We want to blend this on low. I mean, while that's blending, it's almost done. I'm going to roll these, I'm going to break up these crackers. So I just have these in a Ziploc bag. And I'm going to use these in the pudding. You can use nuts also, but I can't have nuts. So I'm just crushing up these vanilla wafers. And we will be using more of them too. There's this little white part of the whipped cream that I'm trying to get at. That's not getting blended. So this is all the banana. So this part I'm doing a little bit at a time because I want to mix some of the crackers and some of the cookies in with it. You can use nuts, you can use graham crackers, you can use a lot of different things in the mix with it. But okay, so it's about half of it. And now I'm going to put some of the cookies in. There's that. Mix those around. Some more of the pudding. We will be using more of them. Only they're going to be the whole ones. I do not recommend thawing the whipped cream or butter if you use it in any recipe in the microwave because it will thaw too much. Just let it thaw naturally. Free milk's really, but coconut milk, the canned coconut milk especially, is one that should be kept in the refrigerator because it just keeps so much better that way. It gives it a chance to get solid kind of, and so it thickens it up a little. The 2 bananas that I have sliced up that I'm going to add in and just put them in randomly wherever. Just put these around the edge and we're good. Stick it in the fridge after that. You probably only need, if you're doing the crushed cookie part, I used way too much, but you probably don't need to crush more than 10. And again, this is another one for the refrigerator, so you're gonna have to have room for it. Refrigerate this at least for an hour, better if you do it overnight. If you like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.